Have you ever started a yawning chain reaction in a room? Let's find out why it's so contagious. Scientists call this contagious yawning, and it's actually pretty common, not just in humans, but also in animals like chimps and dogs. Here's the cool part. It's not about needing more oxygen. Instead, experts think it's tied to empathy. When we see someone yawn, our brains kind of mirror their actions, like emotional copycats. The closer you are to someone, like a friend or family member, the more likely you'll catch their yawn. Even just about yawning can make you do it. So if you're yawning right now, don't worry, you're not bored, just super empathetic. Next time you start a yawn wave, remember, you're basically showing off your brain's social skills. Go ahead, yawn it out, we won't judge.